Do sudden spills and pet accidents leave you scrambling for a cleaning solution? The Hoover CleanSlate Plus might be your new spot cleaning hero. This compact and portable carpet cleaner boasts powerful suction and versatile tools, making it a compelling option for quick cleanups and targeting specific stains on carpets, upholstery, and even in your car. Let's delve deeper into the functionalities, potential limitations, and overall effectiveness of the Hoover CleanSlate Plus to see if it aligns with your needs. The Hoover CleanSlate Plus packs a punch despite its portable design. It features powerful suction that effectively tackles spills, stains, and even pet messes. This is particularly important for quick cleanup situations where immediate action is required to prevent stains from setting in. The included tools further enhance its versatility. The 7-inch WidePath Tool is ideal for tackling larger areas like stairs or spills, while the TightSpot Tool allows you to reach into crevices and clean hard-to-reach areas. This combination ensures you have the right tool for the job, no matter the size or location of the mess. The Hoover CleanSlate Plus goes beyond simply removing surface dirt. The included Oxy Concentrate solution boasts stain-fighting properties that permanently remove tough pet stains and spots. This is a game-changer for pet owners who constantly battle carpet stains or upholstery blemishes caused by their furry companions. By removing stains permanently, the Hoover CleanSlate Plus helps maintain the appearance and longevity of your carpets and furniture. The Hoover CleanSlate Plus prioritizes convenience. Its lightweight and portable design allows you to easily carry it around your home or even store it in a closet or cupboard for quick access. The long cord provides maneuverability without constantly searching for outlets. This is ideal for tackling spills and stains as they happen, preventing them from spreading or becoming more difficult to remove later. The Hoover CleanSlate Plus is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, preventing contamination and ensuring effective cleaning. The hose rinse tool simplifies the cleaning process by flushing the machine with water after use, removing any leftover dirt or debris. These features make maintenance a breeze and ensure your Hoover CleanSlate Plus remains ready for your next cleaning battle. While the Hoover CleanSlate Plus offers impressive features, it's essential to consider some potential limitations. The 40-ounce clean solution capacity might be limiting for very large cleaning tasks. For extensive upholstery cleaning or deep carpet stain removal, a larger capacity cleaner might be more suitable. Additionally, some user reviews mention the noise level being on the higher side. Overall, the Hoover CleanSlate Plus is a versatile option for households seeking a portable and powerful solution for tackling carpets, upholstery, and car interior stains. The powerful suction, versatile tools, and permanent stain removal with the Oxy formula make it a compelling choice for quick cleanup situations and battling pet messes. The user-friendly features like the dual tank system and hose rinse tool add to its convenience. While the tank capacity and noise level might be limitations for some, the Hoover CleanSlate Plus offers a strong value proposition for its portability, functionality, and effectiveness at removing stains. If you're looking for a handy and powerful spot cleaner for everyday cleaning needs, then the Hoover CleanSlate Plus is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.